Hi, in our last video we set a quick test for our students. Now that our students have sat this assessment, I'm going to show you how you can analyse your assessment and assign targeted remediation tasks.
By clicking on the Monitor tab, you can track the progress of your learners in real time. On the bottom left is a legend. Moving up from that, you will see any students who have finished this assessment and who haven't started. On the right is an overview of how your students are progressing. If you have more than one assessment running at the same time, you can click up here to monitor other assessments, and that will allow you to keep track of both assessments simultaneously. You can also lock the assessment to stop students from accessing it, extend the time limit, or force submission. Once your students have finished their assessment, select the Analysis tab. The assessment summary gives a brief outline of the class scores, which are broken down into percentage categories. Above the graph, the number of students that completed the assessment and the average mark are displayed. Further down the page in the Student Results section are the numerical and percentage scores for each student. This also displays how your students have achieved in the various sections of the assessment material and allows you to determine what skills your students might need to focus on. You can select an individual student's name to see an analysis of their results, including their final result, strengths, next steps, and recommendations. Further down the page is the Analysis and Recommendations section. Here, questions have been listed under the different skills or learning areas that they relate to. Your student's average score is listed next to each of these. If you selected Manually Assign Targeted Remediation, you can assign these tasks via the Analysis and Recommendations section, either by learning area or by clicking this Assign Recommended Task button to assign all recommendations, which are indicated down on the right. By selecting View Details next to a particular learning area, you can see an overview of each question that relates to that learning area, as well as how well your students performed in that area. At the bottom of the analysis window, you will find the per question breakdown, which lists all possible questions in the assessment, how many students received each of them within their assessment, and the rate of success that your students had within each. Select the name of the question to view the answers your students gave. Students that have not completed the assessment in the assigned time period can have the assessment reassigned to them. Select Reassign to incomplete students. As a supplement to the displayed results, you have the option to download the assessment data for convenient distribution. Select Export to download a spreadsheet of the displayed information.
Thank you for watching our tutorial on how to analyse an assessment and set remedial tasks. Remember to reach out to an EP expert if you have any further questions about how to set and analyse an assessment.